Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the bulk Flywheel featured in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description.
Salut, bienvenue sur ma clé de 12. Bon alors premièrement, si tu veux voir comment accéder facilement à ton volant moteur, rien de plus simple, tu regardes notre vidéo comment changer l'embrayage de la Megane 2. Ensuite, tu suis bien tout le tuto pas à pas parce qu'il y a plein d'astuces et plein de manipulations qui sont très importantes. Et enfin, on s'est donné beaucoup de mal pour vous faire une vidéo aussi didactique, alors s'il vous plaît, abonnez-vous à la chaîne, likez la vidéo et si vous avez des questions, vous nous posez une question en commentaire, on y répondra, c'est promis. Ciao!
To access your flywheel, you have to remove several components. All the steps to get there are described in our video, changing the clutch on a Megane 2 1.5 dCi. There are different cases where you need to change the flywheel. We advise you to watch our video, Why Change the Flywheel? You can now see the flywheel on your car. If you don't have an impact wrench to unscrew the flywheel, you won't be able to unscrew it with a ratchet without our tip on how to prevent it from rotating. Fit the long pin that connects the gearbox to the engine block. Then screw one of the clutch housing screws back in a few threads. Install a spanner on these two components to lock the flywheel. Using a ratchet and a 17mm socket, unscrew the 7 screws on the flywheel mounting plate and remove it.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the bulk flywheel featured in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Before installing the flywheel, you'll need to clean the flywheel contact surface on the engine block with brake cleaner and a cloth. Fit the new flywheel. There's only one position, which allows the opening to be aligned with the screws. The same goes for the mounting plate. It is essential that you put in new screws, as these are single-use retractable screws. You can find them in the link in the description. Roughly reinstall the screws. Repeat the locking technique on the other side of the flywheel. Then screw the screws back in. Then tighten in a staggered or quincux pattern using a torque wrench. Before fitting the new clutch, remember to clean the flywheel contact surface with brake cleaner and a cloth. To reassemble the various components, all the steps are described in our video, Changing the Clutch on a Megane 2 1.5 dCi. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.